Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by validating your hardware and installing the core software. Confirm your CPU/GPU are within DCS VR recommendations. This prevents severe stutter later. Once done, install Steam VR or the Oculus runtime, then update GPU drivers and switch to DCS 64-bit. Make sure to close background apps that steal CPU cycles. These steps get you from zero to ready. They reduce the common performance bottlenecks that make VR uncomfortable, so don't skip them. Now you tune DCS itself for VR. Open Options VR and set render resolution to 100% as a baseline, because higher values cost a lot of FPS. You can increase if performance allows. Next, lower demanding settings like terrain LOD and set MSAA to 2x. This balances visual fidelity and frame rate. Also, map VR view and headset reset controls in the controls menu so you can recenter quickly. Doing this ensures a stable and comfortable 90 FPS experience. Finish by testing and iterating until flight ready. Launch a basic mission and watch your frame timing. You want a steady 90 FPS or consistent reprojection. If you see stutter, reduce render resolution or shadows, enable motion smoothing or asynchronous reprojection, and disable overlays like Discord. Make small changes, then retest a flight segment each time. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle reprojection modes. Often switching between modes resolves microstutter quickly without sacrificing clarity, so you can get back to flying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.